So I have here this SoundStream Picasso Wireless Bluetooth speaker. I want to show you how to pair this to your smartphone. Here an example, I have here my iPhone, but it works for an Android pretty much just the same way. So I do this by just going here to the settings menu, and there I select Bluetooth, and then I enable Bluetooth here, and so it's going to show me the list of previously paired Bluetooth devices, and here on the bottom that's where the Picasso is going to show up in a second. So first now I'm going to turn this on here. You already heard that jingle, and then here's the Bluetooth button, and I'm going to press this one time, and then we're going to hear this here. So this is the Bluetooth mode, pairing mode. And then you see here, there is already the Picasso down on the bottom. We select it, and now it is connected. So we have just successfully paired this Bluetooth speaker. And then we can go here to our music app and start playing some music here. And so we are already done, successfully connected here this Picasso Bluetooth speaker to our smartphone. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, then please leave a comment below. And don't forget to check out my other videos about this speaker here.